Hello, little friends. We're going to talk about some animals that we often find inside the house. Let's play a guessing game. First, what animal is small, furry, and can sit on our hands? Yes, it's a hamster. Hamsters are cute pets that can live in a small cage. Now, guess what animal can meow loudly, likes to play with string, and enjoys climbing? Right, it's a cat. Cats are loyal friends and can be part of the family. What animal do we often see flying at night, flapping its wings, and searching for light around us? It's a moth. They often come to lights at night. Next, there's an animal with fluffy feathers and a loud morning song. What's its name? Yes, it's a bird. There are many types of birds, and they love to sing. What animal often gets itchy and scratches itself with its claws, and we usually find it in a coop? It's a chicken. Chickens give us delicious eggs. Guess what animal is small, colorful, and likes to fly to flowers to find nectar? Yes, it's a bee. Bees are important for helping plants grow. Now, what stuffed animal is soft and cuddly for bedtime? Right, it's a teddy bear. Teddy bears give us comfort when we sleep. Finally, there's an animal that usually has thick fur, likes to bark, and can protect our house. What's its name? It's a dog. Dogs are loyal friends and heroes of the household.